So you want to know how to get the perfect fluffy spring twist? Well, look no further and stay tuned, because I got you. Hey everyone, so I am back. I'm going to do some crochet mini twists. This is the hair. So this is the Kinky V-Bulk in color T2/30 and length 22 inches. Each bundle has about 33 strands, and you'll need 2 strands to make a twist. Get into that gradient. So this hair kind of reminds me of spring twist hair. Like the synthetic version of this hair to me would be spring twist hair. So this is what the hair looks like. So I'm gonna show you how to create the twist. There is a trick to twisting the hair in order to get this springy, fluffy look to your twists. This is my contraption that I made in order to pre-twist the hair. So this is just a over-the-door hook from Dollar Tree. And I got a ribbon. You can use a ribbon, you can use a long elastic, you can use a shoelace. You just need a long piece of string, but you kind of want a string that's thick enough to create the loop for the hair. You don't want a loop that's too small. I double knotted one end on the bottom of this door hook because it has the knob, so it'll hold it secure. Then I double knotted the ribbon on the other end as well. I made a knot that was big enough so that the hair wouldn't fall off. You can hook this over the door, or you can hold it between your legs, whatever is easiest, but you need to stabilize this part. So I take my Dollar Tree door hook and then I just hook it onto a doorknob. That way it's just easier to twist while you're sitting down. I know it's a little ghetto, but it gets the job done. I just take 2 strands and pull them out of the bundle. Next, I start fluffing out the twist, and I do this by taking my fingers and kind of like pinching the hair and running my fingers along it to start fluffing it out. And then go to the other end. I start at the end. And I just stretch the hair, just a light little tug, and I do that for each strand. You want to fluff out the hair so you can have fluffy twists, but you don't want the hair to completely lose its curl pattern, because the curl is what gives it the springy look, while stretching it gives it the fluffy look. So you want it springy and fluffy. So here are my 2 strands. I'm going to overlap them, and I want to make sure that the grooves in the curls align with each other. So you want them to fit into each other, so it looks like one curl. Make sure you're in the middle and hook it onto the loop. I usually twist to the right, so I naturally twist this way. I wrap the hair over my right hand. But what I've realized with this hair is that most of the time it comes out fluffy when I twist over my left hand. So I'm gonna twist it over to the left. And when I'm twisting, I wanna make sure that the hair is nice and tight enough to be neat, but I do not want to roll. I'm not doing this. I'm not rolling the hair as I'm twisting. I'm simply wrapping each strand over each other. And as you can see, we are getting that nice springy look. You can start to see, like if you let it go and you see it make that nice springy accordion, you're twisting in the right direction. And then I just keep going and twist to the end. I'm just taking the strand and twisting it over. Just bring it in over, wrapping the hair over each other. And the thing is, you don't want to hold it too far. You don't want to leave all the space as you're twisting. So you want to like hold it close to the end, not like pulling it tight, but you want to hold it close to the base so that the hair wraps neatly in the twist. I hope that makes sense. All right, so now that the twist is done, I take this part, I unroll it a little bit so that the hole can get a little bigger, and then I just bring it over onto the ribbon and pull it down, and then that's it. It's very easy. It's very simple. This is the best way that I could get the twists to look the way I want them to look. Trust me, I had a warm time with this hair. As you can see, I don't know if I'm gonna add that footage in this video. Whew. All right, so clearly the mini twists it's not gonna work. I'm about 2 rows in and it's not working. So I just sent an email to the hair company to let them know that I've been working with the hair and the mini twist style is just not working for me. And I asked them if it's okay to do a crochet hairstyle. Pray for me, because I don't know about this hair, y'all. I'm done. Where was I gonna go looking like this? Nowhere. Look at this. Where did I think I was gonna go looking like this? No, ma'am. Cut. We're done. No. But I had me a warm time trying to figure out how to install this hair, because it's not like a full length to where you can just use one strand. You gotta use 2, and that made the install a little tricky for me, at least, because my grip game is not where it needs to be. So installing hair by braiding it at the root was not going to work for me. Either I needed to be able to crochet the sucker in, or I needed to be able to crochet the sucker in. You know what I mean? So a way that you can tell when you're not twisting in the right direction, well, sometimes it works to the left, sometimes it doesn't. So if you're twisting and you see that it's coming out all zigzag and crooked like, and it's not coming out neat and fluffy, and if you were to release it, it just does this thing here, that means you're twisting in the wrong direction. So all you have to do is just untwist it, and I'm gonna twist in the other direction. So that means I'm gonna twist to the right. So as you can see, now it's coming out neater, more like a spring twist, and then you just keep going. You want to make sure that you're holding the hair close to the base of the twist. You don't want to leave too much space in between the twist and your fingers and the extra hair that you're holding. When you leave too much space, that leaves room to mess up the neatness of the twist. And remember, you're not rolling your fingers, you're actually holding the hair very lightly. So in this section here, you do not want to leave a lot of space. You want to hold it as closely as you can in order to ensure that the twist comes out neat and even. These zigzag curls in the hair is what is creating that spiral in the twist. And then you just twirl the end. And here's the twist. When you're done, you just unroll it a little bit to open the hole and then slide it down. You can see the twists, they're very full, they're very bouncy, they're very springy.
And that's it. I hope this tutorial has helped. Please like the video if you like the tutorial. Feel free to leave any questions down below. And if you have not already, please check out the install tutorial for how I installed these beautiful twists. And that is also a very detailed tutorial because you know I got you. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.